Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Bookfolding for Beginners and Beyond. We're going to be making this beautiful rolled vase today together. So let's get started. The first step in making this really fun swirly vase is going to be to center your pattern. So the way you do that is you go to your last page number. Mine is 262, and this is going to take 75 pages, so you subtract the 75 and you get 187. From the 187, you're going to divide it by 2, and I got 93 point whatever. So, because you always have to start on an odd page anyways, I'm going to start on page 93 so that my pattern is perfectly centered. So on page 93, I'm going to go all the way 93, and then I'm going to have 75 pages from there. So 93 plus 75, 8. I'm going to go all the way to 168. So I'm just going to put something at 168 to remind myself to stop. I just put like a paper clip there. So as you can see, this is going to be where the vase is, and then this, all this extra stuff just centers it. So you don't really need a ton of pages for this because of the way you fold it. So the first step to make your vase is you're going to have to cut each page down. So I just cut a piece of cardstock to how tall I wanted my vase. So there's really no formula for this because it really depends on your book and how tall you want your vase, but for the most part you want it to be 2/3. Then you're going to take your knife and start cutting. Oops. You don't need to take a ton of pages each time. I find that just little by little. Oops. So as you can see, just with a few swipes of my knife, I've already cut off quite a few pages. So you just keep on doing that for that 75 pages. And then once you finish cutting that, I will show you the really fun fold to make this. So I'll continue working on this, and then I will show you how to do the fold. This would be a really great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel to keep these weekly videos coming. And if you wouldn't mind also commenting on how you decorated your vase, I would love to know. I love sharing ideas with all the viewers. So once you're done with the cutting, it's the fun part with the folding. So you're going to take 3 pages and you're going to swirl it. You're not going to crease it like you normally do with book folding. You're just going to put it right in that gutter. And after you do a few, just the friction will hold it in place. There's no need for glue. You just have to get it started. So 3 more. Tuck in. This goes so quickly, and it's just so elegant. So once you get a few in, like I just did, they really do start to hold on their own. So 3. Now you can decorate this with silk flowers. You can fold paper flowers. Check out my other videos. There's tons of different ways to make paper flowers. You can add ribbon, little jewels, whatever you want to do to decorate this. I was thinking this would be really nice for Mother's Day or a birthday, housewarming, or maybe if you're visiting someone with cancer and they're not allowed to have any fresh flowers, this would be really a beautiful vase that you could make for them with silk flowers. Look how quickly this comes together. Now, if you want a fuller vase that's with the ridges a little bit tighter together, just use more than 75 pages. It's just totally up to you how condensed you want this look. So that's what it looks like from the top. Now, if you see here, it looks like a little messy from where you ripped off the pages. But when you decorate your vase with the flowers, that will, you'll cover it up. So let's go ahead and start decorating this. So I decided I'm going to decorate this in a harvest theme. The nice thing is that with these tubes right here, you can just stick the flowers right in. But I do want to always cover this where it looks a little messy just from where I was tearing out the pages. So I'm going to stick in these really pretty yellow fall flowers. Now you can glue them in if you want, but I like to change them out for the different seasons. But if you're giving it as a gift, you could just glue gun it right in. That pumpkin kind of ties it together. Add some greenery wherever you'd like. But look how quickly this comes together. Again, you could do it this way, or if you want to use paper flowers, that's always another option. It just depends on what you're looking for. Oops, that's not going to stay right there. Scoot him in right there. But look how beautiful this is. It comes together very, very quickly. So lots of things you can do. And then if you want to decorate right here with a ribbon, I think that would be really pretty. Or you could just add a little bit of bling right here. Lots of options right here. So sticking with my fall theme, I really like this burlap with a little bit of lace right there. You could decorate it like this and then tuck in the sides right behind, like so. That kind of holds it right there. Like that. If you want, you could tie a bow. Lots of options.